Is the question, my dear student. To be or not to be is the question. So, all for it.
Finally!
Yay!
Yeah. चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में। अरे चलो कुछ खा लेते हैं। राजू भैया एक पनीर रोल तो दीजिए। क्या बात है, थैंक यू। अरे यार भूख मर गई। क्या ये साइनर वाइनर करते रहते हैं लोग, कुछ काम धंधा तो है नहीं। ये गाना क्यों बंद हो गया? बैटरी क्या बैटरी खराब हो गई? ये आइला मेरा कचरा। इंजीनियर
जी
ये देखो क्या है, इसे साफ करो।
मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ?
तुम इंजीनियर हो, तुम्हें कुछ करना चाहिए।
इनको जला देनी है, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी।
सही है। चिंता क्यों है? सॉल्व करो।
गड्ढा खोद के इनको उसमें डाल देते हैं।
सही है, करो वो करो।
सबको उसमें डालो। प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व, थक चुके हैं ये लोग।
सही, आपने बढ़िया काम किया। थैंक यू वेरी मच। इतना धूप है यार, पानी चाहिए थोड़ा सा। अरे हैंडपंप क्यों निकल रहा है भाई इसमें से? चलो फ्री की है, पी लेते हैं। बचाओ डॉक्टर। सब ये कचरे की वजह से। देखो पहले एक इंजीनियर आया, आग लगाई, स्मोक केम, देन ही लैंडफिल्ड इट, स्मोक केम, एवरीथिंग इज बिकॉज़ ऑफ द वेस्ट। डू समथिंग।
Waste problem? What a joke! How can a waste be a problem?
Yeah, मैं मर रहा and you're thinking it's a joke?
Yes, sir. You have such a simple solution for it.
How?
Okay, all of us would have noticed we have two dustbins in at university. One is green and one is blue. But have you ever noticed which one is for what? And why do we have two?
No.
No, right? Let's see why each one is for. One, the green one is for biodegradable and the blue one is for non-biodegradable. Let's see what to do with this waste. The green one, what is this? Food waste. Where does it go? Biodegradable. Here, you go here. The sign-out poster. It is also biodegradable. Papers. When we tear it and put it, we can easily compost it. So that's also biodegradable. Simple. And we have the blue dustbin here, which is for non-biodegradable. The batteries would go here. And what do we have here? The plastic, the worst one. This is definitely going to biodegradable.
Now what?
What next? Yes, I'll tell you. The non-biodegradable, we have so many organizations like Goonj working. We can give it to the Paper Mart or like we can give it to such organizations. They do recycling in a very good manner. And with the biodegradable, simple. We have so many classes like Arun Kansal sir, like teaches us how do you compost. Simple, like practice it at home, practice at university. That's it, problem solved. There's no need for burning, there's no need for landfill. That's it, and no problem also.
It's so simple. Then why don't we all try it then?
Shall we?
इसको बंद नहीं किया, इसको बंद नहीं किया।
Thank you, STP students. That was an excellent performance, and also thank you to the Ashwata group. They didn't even eat their food because they're so committed. They're eating now. Yes. That's what I want to share. That they're so committed to their cause that they decided they'll hold out till the time they don't finish performing and sharing their message with us. This brings us to a close of our two-day event, Sign On, and I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the people who've been actively involved in this entire process. It's been a very interesting journey for each one of us, because it's not the end product but the process that we go through. So each one of us has learned quite a lot, and we've come very close together as well. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the faculty, Mala ma'am, Smriti ma'am, Papia ma'am for all their support. The administration, Sandeep sir, Subhashgiri sir, Vikas sir, they've all helped us out a lot. Housekeeping has been impeccable. They've been there whenever we needed them. And all the students, despite of a very rigorous schedule in November and lots of contemplation on whether we could pull this off at this particular time or not, lots of debates, we decided that we'll take the leap of faith and we'll do this because it's important to us, and it's the process, like as individuals that are part of this particular course, we feel that it's our individual journey, so we contribute with our own efforts, and that's the message that we wanted to spread through this entire event, and that's what we've tried to do over the last 2 days. So I hope you did take a little bit of something for yourself and you can go out and do your part in this world. So thank you very much.